Welcome to Swapandglue, guys. And images today are from the lovely Cheryl. And I think she's done the fussy cutting for me. What an absolute star. Honestly, Cheryl, you didn't need to. But she is amazing, isn't she? Oh, look. That's not far from where Cheryl lives. Not far. She's very close to me. I think we can use all these. Oh, how on earth did you fussy cut these like that? Good, amazing woman. You're like, you must have the patience of a saint. Look at these. Oh, she is wonderful. I like her. Look at all these people. I love these. That definitely goes with that one, doesn't it? Right, we are going to have to do a background of some kind on here. I have got... Oh, look at that. Was it a lamp? Oh, it could be. It could be anything. It could be a tree. Wait, I can make it into anything. I did this, doggy, in the last one. Didn't I? Did I? Yes. The one before. Somewhere. Oh, wasn't it in this book? I must have used a different book. Oh, definitely use that, doggy. I can't believe you fussy cut all these images out already for me. You are such a star. Look at that shoe. Right, okay. I do have a folder with some images already that Cheryl sent me, and I've got some of these calendar pages that she sent me. So I'm thinking maybe we could use some of these in the background. Okay, because this looks like it's going to be a very summery sort of project. Now, I'm definitely putting Stonehenge up there. That is definitely going on. So let's see if there's I don't think we want December, but we can have April. I know it's not April, but you know, we can take April off. Because it really is gardening weather. It's been glorious here in the UK. Of course, I've gone back to work, so that's probably why. As soon as you go back to work, isn't it, guys? Right, I have the... Oh, I do have this. This wasn't from Cheryl, this was from Faith, because I already used it in that one. But I could use it as a sort of border, couldn't I? I could. I am going to use it. I'm not going to use the cats because I used them last time, but I am going to use the border just for background. And then I can keep the kitty cats. Now, I have already separated them. So that is going to go on, we know that. Okay. This will be me doing the whole thing and then realising that I'll put them in the wrong place again, like I did before. I'm going to cover that centre because we never get that middle bit, do we, when we're doing these Swapandglues? It's always that little bit that sort of, you have to like get your pen out and do a bit of strategic colouring. But I mean, this book is almost filled up. I have a video coming out of making a new one, which is just like making a junk journal, really. It's going to be very basic, very beginner orientated. And there are some very hilarious moments when I completely sew in the signatures wrong. So, you know, watch out for that one. Yep. It happens to us all, guys. Don't try and deny it, because I know it just, everybody is the same. We all make mistakes, and you know, on my channel, I leave the mistakes in because that's life. Is there 2 there? Oh, cool. That means it will go all the way to the top. Yes. Ah. Oh, don't you just love it when a plan comes together? That's perfect. Look at that. Is this one the same? No, of course it isn't. Yeah, of course it isn't. So I'm not sure when this video is going to go up. I am a bit behind on my Swapandglues. No surprise there. I had to dedicate 2 of my Swapandglue days to Happy Mail days because I got inundated with Happy Mails, which is absolutely lovely. And, you know, I can put the collages up. Sort of, you know, around things. Right, we have our bit of a background. So Stonehenge. I'm just wondering whether to put it sideways, but that'd be silly. Right, I am going to make it fit onto the page. And I'm wondering, actually, whether to put it at the bottom and then have, just checking, I'm wiggling out of frame, aren't I, here? Let me just get my images of the top out of the way. Oh, this is like eyes and all sorts. I can't wait to use these little bits. Where's that lady I had with the, there? I like her. Sort of. I don't know what she's doing. Apart from standing on top of Stonehenge, maybe. Shall I do my little cutting? See if that works. Where's my little knife? Oh, got that one. This one will probably cut straight through the paper. I'll do it on the... I don't usually use that one when I'm cutting paper, but maybe she's a giant. Oh, that works. Her head, what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue her. I'm going to glue her there. Oops. Whoopsie whoopsie. So I get her in the right place before I forget. And I'm not super happy with her head because she's very washed out. So I think we're going to have to replace her head. And I think maybe she's got a doggy head. Perhaps she's got a doggy head. I think so. So we need to chop her head off. I know you like this bit, Melissa. Let's cut round the... I'm gonna go round where her sort of top comes. I think somebody knew I'd be cutting heads off. No, just cut that a bit more. Oh, perfect. I think that's pretty good. I'm going to cut the bits off that doggy so he fits into her neck a bit better. Okay. Nice. Right. We still need some more background. I'll put this on this side. Now come off the bottom of the page a bit. Right. Oh, I'll get him on at some point. Right. So background, I think we'll come over the top. Maybe. Oh, this one. What else can I use as background, guys? No. Just need some colour. I just need some colour. Shall I just paint it? So where am I got to come up from? So I've got colour from about here up. I have all these people. Where's he gone? That might work. This is just in the I don't think that will work. The Bake Off team. No. Right, let's just take that travel bit off. And we'll rip down that side just because we don't want the straight edge. Oh no, I can't do that, can I? Because I need to come down a bit on the bottom. So I'm going to have a gap, guys. This is not good. We do not want a gap. Okay, right, ice creams are coming back out. We'll cover that bit up. That'll work. Ice cream there, and ice cream on the other side. Maybe coming downwards. No. Ha! Right. We're going to glue this down. We're going to glue it all down. That's what we're going to do. I've no idea yet whether these pages are going to be coherent, like matchy-matchy, or whether they're going to be completely separate. I'm hoping they may be a bit, you know, sort of flow. Not sure at the moment. Right, let me glue his head. So I need a little bit of glue just there, so I can get this height right. And then we're going to glue the rest of it. Get off. I'm going to just leave the arms because I'm not sure whether the ice creams are going above or below the arms. Oh, I love collage. Let's have some random images and make a collage. You know, why not? How cute is that? I like it, guys. I like it. I'll just trim the bottom at the end. Right, so my lolly is going... Forgot to do that bit. It's got to go under his head. Okay, so we need to glue this. I'm going to glue it on the envelope. Nearly forgot, didn't I? That was layering it the other way. It's going to go where it goes. It's just going to go where it goes. Look at that. No fussy cutting required. Just go for it. I'm sorry if you can hear the children behind me. They are obviously still off school and they are very noisy. They have one of those trampolines and they just go on it and scream. Basically, I'm not quite sure why they scream so much. I've never heard so many screaming children in my life. Ooh, I feel like she needs to sit somewhere. Do you want to sit on there? She looks like she's just about to go up onto there, doesn't she? What about this lady? Ooh, too many choices. Look at this. She really does know how to make me think. I've got offcuts now tangled up. I love this. I need something round his neck. La 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 la. So many peoples. So many peoples. Well, this could be a necklace, couldn't it? Oh. Can we do it? Can we give the doggy proper lips? Do you think? Oh, he's so cute though. No, he's too cute. I can't do it. I can't do it. Right, I'm going to leave that side for 1 minute. Then I'm going to do something on this side because I'm tempted to put a smiley on the dog, which probably wouldn't work very well. No, that's going to go this side. Where's that bit I cut out? Summer. I've got the thing, summer holiday. That's my... I love the glasses. Oh. Oh, yeah, you're going to have them on. Somehow. So they're going to go like that, I think. I do want him to have a necklace, though. So I'm pondering what I can use as a necklace. That could be a neck. That looks like. I can colour that, can't I? I just want to fill that up now. What have I got? Ooh, the language of flowers. I don't know where that came from. That wasn't in the box, in the packet. The language of flowers, and I stick a burger on there. Put this on, definitely. I love this as well, but it doesn't actually go. What else have I got? Oh, I've got so much stuff, guys. I've been cutting out. Do you remember him? We couldn't use him before, could we? Oh, there is this. Oh, too much to choose from. Obviously, all my Swapandglue stuff is now completely mixed up because I've been doing the junk journal with all the bits and pieces. So I used to try and keep all my stuff that was everybody's, you know, Swapandglues. I used to try and keep them all separately so I knew whose was whose, but I've given up with that now because it's just too difficult now. It's just, I just got all muddled up and put them in the wrong envelopes. Sometimes something will remind me. But I want her. I really want to put her in. She'll go here. But this lady, oh, I still think she could go there. Maybe that's like a mirror. She's looking in the mirror. Or I could keep it to the ice cream. Let's just keep it simple. Keep it simple. I can always use the people. Right, I still got to plan that. Where's that real burger? Could put that on the plate. Oh, how am I going to use her? It's confusing me because this is like supposed to be off. Oops. Right, that's better. I don't know why it bugs me. Right, I'm going to try and glue these down because he's definitely having these glasses on. I've got a big blob here, guys. Come on. Play nicely. I haven't even got a tissue or anything with me. I was just, let's open the packet, and I went for it. Do you know what I'm going to get? I'm going to get my glue and glue it down with this glue. Because I don't, whoops-a-daisy. I've just filled this up. No, no. I know you think I never fill it up. But look, it's absolutely chock-a-block to the top. So now it's oozing out everywhere. Right, I need a tissue. Splodged glue everywhere. How many of you knew this dog would end up wearing glasses? Replies in the comments below, guys. Because I think there's a few of you. Right, I'll leave it to dry. Okay. I still want to do something round her neck because I'm not convinced that that is what I want. But I do sort of want this on that plate instead of that. I don't know what that is. That doesn't look very appealing, does it? We'll just replace it with whatever that is. Looks much more healthy. It's got some green on it. And I know I'm going to be putting her on. No, you're not fitting. I am going to glue the wine. I'm going to glue that down because it's going to rip otherwise. There we go. Oh, this is cool. I'm really not sure that fits now. I had this from last time. Not really summery. Sandwich. Of course, we do have another pig that I still haven't used. And I do have this lady without a head. and this head without a lady. And they just look the same size. I know, I have some random stuff, guys. Oh, I should have got a page out of that book. Right, we have some flowers. How random is this? I was doing really well on this side. Now I'm like, I'm sort of wondering what to do now. Just wondering. I have this. Making a white mess on my table. This is from somebody. I can't remember who it's from. But it's definitely from somebody. Technically, it's still a Swapandglue. I knew I shouldn't have glued that down. It's going to go underneath it. Right, I'm going to put that there. That will come off. Just fill that background up. Okay, can go there. Oh, I think I've overfilled my glue. It's squirting out everywhere. Okay, you might have to wait for this to dry before I go around my edges. I need something. I need her. That's what I need. I need her. Do you know what? I'm just going to put her down. No sense. She's right by the wine. Yeah, that looks kind of cool with the tree behind it. And I've got eyes. I can't change his little mouth, but his little eyes look funny. I don't know if they're the right way up. I think they are. I'm going to put them little eyes on. I don't think his little mouth will work. No. Could have eyes on the ice cream. A little mouth. No, too big. Oh, where shall I put them? Shall I put them on the ice cream or shall I put them on the doggy? I think that's upside down. Oh no, it is the right way around. I think they look really cool on the dog. But then his real eyes look really cool as well. That looks like he's looking up. Please don't eat me. So I am doing this just after I've opened Cheryl's Happy Mail. And she gifted me some trim. And I'm thinking I'm going to put some on there. Of course, I've lost my scissors. They're underneath all the paper. I think that will look really cool. bit of mixed media going on here. Right, you can stop overflowing glue. And I'm going to put it just along where that edge is, because in my head that doesn't work very well. I'm going to have to sort of bend it and hope it stays. And hold it. You're going to stay, or do I need to get the big girl glue out? Right, we're going to have to get the big girl glue, and I think what I'm going to do as well is cut that little pointy bit off, because I can't get it to go up there. Right, we're going with the stronger glue. On top of that glue, one of them's going to work. Sorry, this is a long video, guys, but you know, I couldn't decide. I'll cut out the faffing around bits for you. That's better. Look at that. Bit gluey. That's better, look. Now he looks like he's got a necklace on. Stay there. Stay. Right, I'm going to have to hold that. Okay, I am going to wait for this to dry, and I'm going to do some like highlights and stuff, and I'll pop right back. Okay, guys? So here's my finished page from Cheryl, and I've been playing with these. I've got these from Aldi's here in the UK, and I think they were like £3, and they're markers. So I thought I'd have a play with them, and I've sort of coloured in her top in red, and I've been doing some like going around the outsides, but I thought I'd better stop because I've added words and everything, so I'm going to stop because I've got lots to do. So we're all finished. Thank you so much, Cheryl. It was lovely working with some images from you. I love this lady. She had to be my focal, but then when I found the dog, you know, he had to go on. Okay. See you all again soon. Bye.